You are welcome to Smart Gyan. Today we will start a new topic related to the previous video. In my last video, I have explained how to find square root of numbers, and I hope you must have enjoyed the trick and technique. In this video, we will learn how to find square of numbers, and once you learn the trick, you will really enjoy this. Really, you will enjoy this. Why? Because without using pen and paper, you can find square of number up to 125. Yes, friends, this is true. I will insist you all to see the video from the beginning till the end so that you can learn the complete trick how to apply it mentally. Without using pen and paper, you can find square of numbers up to 125. Yes, this is my promise. Try to learn the trick, okay? But one thing you have to ensure, you have to see the video from the beginning till the end, because you have to understand trick with concrete examples. Let us start the journey of learning. Here a few numbers given before you to find squares. How to find squares of these numbers? 33 squares. Yes, this is same. This is extension of same 2 seconds magic series, that is 33 square. 33 square is 1089. Then 72 square. Yes, this much time will take. 72 square, that is 5184. Yes, 5184. Then 94 square, that is 8836, that is 94 square. And 112 square is 12544. Yes, this much time you will take, and that to be without pen and paper. Try to learn the trick how to do it simply. This is really highly interesting part of mental mathematics, okay? You can do it mentally without using any pen and paper. This will help to save your lot of time in examinations. What are the prerequisites? How to then apply this trick? There must be some trick and technique, basic things you need to apply any trick. Yes, when we apply any trick or technique, we have to learn some basic things. Then what are basic things? That is the foundation upon which we can construct our tower. Yes, what is the tower here? Your tower is the knowledge of tower, the technique of tower, trick of tower. So what is the basic things? Definitely it will be related to the same thing. Come on, try to learn this. And if you have not yet learned this, I hope most of you might have learned this up to 125 square. But if any of you have not yet learned this, try to learn it as soon as possible, because this is going to help you in an amazing way. Once you learn the trick how to apply this, then you will really enjoy what the learning is. What is the really, this is fun learning. Let us go to how to apply it practically. Then after learning the basic skills, basic things, how to apply it practically, then let us take a few examples. What are the steps involved here? First step 1, simply find the difference between the given number and 25, that is 25 subtracted from the given number. Then in step 2, square of difference between 50 and the given number. If the square of difference between 50 and given number is a 3-digit number, then we have to carry the leftmost digit to the left part and add there. How? We will check it practically in a few examples. There are 2 steps as I have explained earlier. In step 1, you have to subtract 25 from given number. Here given number is 43, that's why you have to subtract 25 from given number, and the difference, that is 18, is your left part. That is, in step 2, you have to subtract the given number is 43, you have to subtract the given number 43 from 50, and the difference square is your right part. Difference is 7, 7 square 49 is your right part. So your final figure is 1849, that is 43 square is 1849. Let us take a few more examples. 34 squares. How to do this? Here we won't take step 1, step 2, straight we will come to how to apply it mentally. That is interesting. 34 minus 25, that is coming to be 9. This is your left part over. Then for right part we have to do some operation, that is what is, from right part we have to subtract 34 from 50. 50 minus 34 is 16 and 16 square is 256. We know that 16 square is, this is we have to learn in our prerequisites. 256. 256 is a 3-digit number. We cannot write here straight 3-digit number. That's why we will carry 2, the leftmost digit, and add with left part. That is 9 plus 2, 11 is your left part, and the right part is remaining 2 digits. That's over. 1156. So 34 square is 1156. One more, that is 58 square. Same, I hope you must have understood the trick how to use it. 58 square, 58 minus 25, that is 33 is your left part. Then 58 minus 50, that is 8 square 64 is your right part. Over. This is straight question, there is no carry forward. That's why we can find straight. That is left part is 8 minus the given number minus 25, 33. And right part is given number minus 50 square, that is 58 minus 58 square 64. So your final answer is 3364. Let us take one more number which is greater than 50, less than 75, because here in this step we can, with the same trick, we can apply two numbers from 25, greater than 25 to 75. As 73 is less than 75, we can apply it here also. Let us take how. That is same, 73 minus 25, that is coming to be 48 is your left part. Then 73 minus 50, that is 23. 23 square is 529. 23 square is 529. Here I am writing for your convenience, but you are not going to write anything. You have to carry it mentally and calculate also mentally. That is 529. But here 529 is a 3-digit number. We cannot write a 3-digit number here as our right part. That's why we have to carry the leftmost digit 5 and add with 48. So in left part will be 48 plus 5, that is 53, and right part 29. So your final answer is 5329. 96 square. How to find 96 square? That is here. The important thing is the base is 100. For numbers 75 to 125, the base is 100. Here. Then what is its use? Let us check it. 96 is how much less than 100? 96 is 4 less than, that is minus 4. Means 100 minus 96, that is 4. Once again, 96 is 4 less than 100, that's why we will write it 96 and minus 4 this way. And as it is square, so we will write, repeat the same thing once again, 96 minus 4. And here also we will find two parts, one for right part, another for left part. Same approach is same. How? Simply we will multiply this right part digits, that is 4 into 4, that is 16 as your right part. Then for left part will be cross subtraction, any cross subtraction, any way, either this way or that way, answer will be same. 96 minus 4, 92. This way 96 minus 4 is 92, because the figures are same. So your final answer is 9216. 9216. 87 square. Here, as I have told you, base is 100. Base is 100. So you have to say 87 is how much less than 100? That is 100 minus 87. That is 13. I hope this also you can do mentally, but I am writing here for your understanding. That is 87 minus 13. Initially during the time of learning you will write and learn it. Once you learn the trick, then you can do it mentally. Then once again repeat the same trick, 87 and 13. Same two parts are there, that is here for right part 13 into 13, 13 into 13, that is 169. 169, but we cannot write all the 3 digits as right part. So we will write only 69 and this carry 1 for left part. We will carry 1 for left part. Then left part will be same as it is minus cross subtraction. 87 minus 13, then it is 74, then plus 1, that is 75. 7569. Move to one more example, that is 118. Here, as 118 is greater than 100, then you have to find same how much greater than 100, that is 118 is 18 more, that's why it is plus 18. Try to relate, the previous one was less, that's a minus, it is greater, that's it is plus 118 plus 18, and we have to repeat the same thing once again, 118 plus 18, that is 18 into 18, that is your right part. 18 square is 324, but we are not going to write all the 3 digits, we will write only 2, 4 and carry this 3 for left part. Then 118 plus 18, it is cross addition, our symbol is plus positive. 118 plus 18, 136 plus 3, 139, that is your final answer is 13924. Your final answer is 13,924. I hope by this time you must have understood the trick how to apply it mentally. First, try to see the video from the beginning till the end, understand it. Initially you may take the help of pen and paper. Once you are acquainted with the trick, then try to apply it mentally. Thank you all for watching the video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel so that whenever I post any new video, you won't miss it. And share the video among your friends. Try to comment also. Don't forget to comment so that it will help me to improve the next video. Thank you all. Have a nice time.